have some guests at my friend's house. Well, I have some guests to Gabby's baking show. We are going to decorate cookies, but there's some different kinds. I have a stocking. Oh, this is Julian and Evan, and their girlfriends are, well, never mind. Never mind about that. Anyway, so we are going to decorate. This is a cookie. I'm going to decorate a stocking. Evie's going to decorate a big gingerbread man, and so is Julia. Oh, I totally said their names awful. Thank you. We'll see you in 5 seconds. Cut.
So for my gingerbread man, his eyeballs are kind of creepy, so don't do that. He has glasses, a derpy smile, and then he has a white t-shirt with a green mistletoe bow tie, red buttons, red pants, look like underwear. But yeah, that's my gingerbread man.
Good job, Julia. Evie's turn. Evan's
Okay,
turn.
so mine looks mad because he has eyebrows. He has a mustache. And he has a bow tie. And shoes. And a green jumper.
Cute.
It's the ranch.
Okay. Gotta go. You said you're too tall. I guess I could do this too. Okay.
Can I have my elbow bone?
Sure.
Okay. That was ready to go.
It's already recording.
This is Gregory. Oh man, his blush fell off. It's okay. I need to add some things to him, like the green here. But these are just, normal gingerbread habits, like the guy from Shrek. And he has 6 buttons. 6 buttons. And his eyeballs have little pupils in them, which is kind of creepy. Oh, this cookie.
Oh, and
This-
Gabby's alphabet is spelled with an E.
A-L. This is the wrong way. Sklinda and alphaba. Instead of alphaba.
Gabe, Gabby, Al.
Yep. Gabby.
C spelled
Okay.
wrong, but that's okay.
Any parting thoughts, ladies?
Alphabet spelled with an E.
Boys, Julian, Evan, and Gabe. Any final thoughts?
We need to do bloopers.
Gingerbread spelled like anything. Just subscribe and miss us. Hello, this is my gingerbread, and he has a back suit, a swimsuit. No, I mean jumper suit. Jumper. Jumper suit.
Just a jumper.
Blue. My gingerbread has no flavor. I mean, lots of flavor.
It
And
has no flavor actually though.
he tastes and he smells good.
It does not smell good.
See, that's a mess up.
So for my gingerbread man, I did pink eyes, glasses, a derpy smile,
What does derpy mean?
like I don't know. A white tank top, and
You said that
shorts that look like underwear.
You said that was a t-shirt.
Whatever.
I don't know. Why are you talking to yourself? No. Are we not supposed to be eating it?
It's edible, I suppose.
It's